Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you very amazing, tasty and one of the most famous delicacy of Hyderabad, that is Apricot Delight. So let's get started with the recipe. Here you can see I have soaked approximately 2 cups of apricot overnight, and here now they are soaked well. Let's take the water out and we have to now de-seed the apricots. Using a knife, I'm going to take the seed out of the apricot. Here you can see as shown in the video, and I'm going to remove all the seeds as shown in the video. Here you can see I have taken out all the seeds from the apricot and put them aside. Now from the seed of the apricot we get a small almond. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to break open it and take all the almonds out of it so that I can use it in the garnishing of the apricot dessert. So here you can see I have taken out all of them and I'm going to chop it now so that I can use it in the garnishing later. Now let's cook the apricot dessert. For that I'm heating a pot on the stove, and first of all I'm going to add in the water in which we have soaked the apricots. Now add all the de-seeded apricots, give them all a good mix, and now we have to cover them and cook on high flame for about 5 minutes. So here you can see after about 5 minutes you can see the apricots are almost 40 to 50% done. Give again a good stir, cover it and cook on low flame for another 5 to 10 minutes. So here you can see after about another 5 to 8 minutes the apricots are almost done up to 80%. Now it's time to add in the sugar. Here I'm going to add in 1 cup of sugar for 2 cups of apricot. You can adjust the amount of sugar as per the sweetness required. Now give it a mix. Add in a pinch of orange food color to give it even more attractive look. Now give it all a good mix and cook on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Here you can see our bright orange and amazing apricot delight is going to be ready. Cover it and allow it to simmer on low flame for another 5 minutes. So here you can see after about another 5 minutes the sugar syrup got very thick, and this is the stage to add in any flavor of your choice. Here I'm going to add in kesar essence for that amazing and delicious flavor. Give it all a good mix, and now this is ready to serve. Here you can see our most delicious and amazing Hyderabad delicacy Apricot Delight is just ready. You can plate it out as you wish and you can serve as your wish. This is most amazing and very delicious dessert. Tastes very amazing and just gets ready in 20 minutes. This is just so amazing. Garnish as you like, serve as you like, and let me know in the comment section how you felt this recipe out. This was the recipe for today. In case you find it interesting, follow and subscribe my channel for more such amazing videos. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Allah Hafiz.